I'm sure you have a friend that has one gadget of everything for their garden, like my friend Bill. But you know, if you're not one of those people or happen to have the good luck to live next door to one of those people that you can just borrow something for the afternoon, you might consider renting the next time you have a project. Now, of course, I have a mower and actually I have a tiller from our garden because I do a lot of projects that require that. But if you have just a special project that you're going to do maybe once a year or just a couple of times a year, you really might consider renting. Now, you can rent anything from power washers to aerators, chainsaws, dethatchers. All of these kinds of things are available for you to rent. And when you think about renting, think about, well, how many times am I going to use it? Am I going to use it a lot? Maybe you should buy it. But if it's just now and then, you really might consider renting it. And don't forget, when you rent, you don't have to maintain it. It's always going to be in great shape for you, and it's always going to be ready.